Standard 2nd, Subject Maths, Topic Stories of Addition 1.
Hello children, good morning. You all must have heard many stories of fairy and adventures. And today we are going to learn the stories of addition. Before we start, let us recall the concept of addition. What does addition mean? In addition, we take two or more number together to get a new number, which we call as sum or total. The plus sign is known as the symbol of addition in maths.
3 plus 2 is equal to 5 is an example of simple addition. Now, let us understand what is meant by addition stories. These are basically word problems. We can call these word problems as addition stories. These stories give us information and then they ask us to find out something. We have to understand what is given and what we have to find out. And only then we will be able to solve the problem and get the correct answer. So children, we have to remember these 3 steps, which are understand what is given and what is asked. Second is think, what shall we do? And third, to solve the problem to get the correct answer.
I hope you all have understood the meaning of addition stories. We will now open our maths textbook to page number 26. This is our page 26. An example is already given in our textbook. Let's read. Manjot planted 14 almond trees and 21 guava trees. How many trees did he plant altogether? Let us understand the question. What is given? Numbers of almond trees and guava trees. What is asked? Total number of trees. What shall we do? We will do addition
as we have to find out the total number of trees.
Let us start solving the problem on the information from the story. So how many almond trees do we have? Yes, 14. So we will be putting 1 in the tens column and 4 in the units column. How many guava trees do we have? We have 21 guava trees. So we will put 2 in the tens column and 1 in the units column.
First, we will add the units place. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now the tens place. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So our answer is 35. We have 35 as the total number of trees.
Let us now read the second example. Ravi has 15 balloons and Neeta has 21. How many do they have together? Let us first understand the question. What is given? Yes, balloons. What is asked? Total balloons. What shall we do now? We will be doing addition. Let us first name the columns. This is our tens column and this one is the units column. We will now fill the proper details in the columns. Ravi has 15 balloons. So we will put 1 in the tens column and 5 in the units column. Neeta has 21 balloons. So we will put 2 in the tens column and 1 in the units column. Let's add these numbers. We will always start the addition from the units column. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6.
Now the tens column. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So we have 36 as the total number of balloons. I hope you all have understood. We will continue solving many more such addition stories in our next video. Thank you.